Hi friends, welcome back in next lectures. Lectures is 22. PLC is Omron Software CX Programmer version 9.5. Today we will discussion of Omron PLC instruction exchange data. Function code is 073. This is a lecture of basic programming. Let's see. Function code XCHG 073. E1 is the first access bus and E2 is second access bus. When you need any HMIs and PLC and SCADA to data transfer one bus to second bus and second bus to one bus. This is the most important lecture for instruction of PLC. So let's see in the software of programming. Now open the software of CX Programmer version 9.5. We already program make input is 0.01 and access function code 0007. First data is D200 and second is D400 and we use the D401 and D402 and also use D602 and D404. If you input condition is on, then data is access. D200 to 400, 401 to 402 changes, and 602 to 404 data is access. Now show the value of this instruction. So already given the instruction, the shortcut key of CX Programmer is simulation. Control Shift Press W. This is the simulation online shortcut key. Now we check this and this window is the minimize, no errors and warnings. So first we check the D200's value is showing 444 and D400's is the value showing in the 555. If input condition is on, then D200 value is shifting from D400 and D400 data memory is shifting value from D200. And like others, same instruction and data shifting from first access bus to second access bus. So we check. Now already 6 data memory used and first execution condition is on. So this is the first bus is on. Control plus G is the shortcut key for forcefully on. So this the shortcut key for this window, and this window. Control plus G, this is the forcefully on. Now a D200 value is the shifting from D400, D400 value is shifting from D200, and like same value is the changes for other data registers. Now again one time we do. Now again this off, control plus key, this is the forcefully off. Now again control plus G, this is the forcefully this is on. Now D200 value is changes from D444. Now again one time can do. D200 value is the 444. Now again this is changes. Now 555. I think this is a lecture for helpful. If you want any more relevant video and lectures, so you can ask to me directly. I will definitely support you. Thank you for watching this video.